In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to fix Arena Breakout. This model is not supported and whether or not it is possible to do this. If you are having trouble downloading Arena Breakout from the Play Store or the App Store with a message that is similar to the one I mentioned, this model is not supported, that means that your specific model of your device isn't capable of running Arena Breakout. Because of that, the Play Store or the App Store will not allow you to download and play Arena Breakout. As of today, is there any way to bypass this and download the game even though the device doesn't meet minimum requirements? Sadly, as of today, because Arena Breakout is a heavy game that requires a lot of performance from most phones, if your model or device is not supported over here in the compatibility option, sadly there is nothing you can do to bypass this. You will have to get a better device if the Play Store or the App Store doesn't allow you to download the game, as it is very intensive on the phone. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that there is no way to fix Arena Breakout. This model is not supported. If your device does not allow you to download Arena Breakout because it doesn't meet the minimum requirements, there is nothing you can do besides changing your actual phone. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that if your device cannot run Arena Breakout, you will not be able to circumvent this. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.